Welcome to the cutest site on the block video tutorials, and this tutorial will go over adding product attributes to your products. And we just discussed how to add products into your Virtumart. Now we're going to add some attributes to those. Go ahead and log into your Virtumart by going through the Joomla administration, going to Components and Virtumart. Now, a product attribute would be anything like if you want to add some drop-down boxes for the choice of red, green, or blue, or small, large, extra large, or anything like that. And you can also associate different price values with those. We'll get you all set up here so we can look at the front end of a product that doesn't have any, this product doesn't have any product attributes assigned to it yet. So you'll just notice that it's a basic add to cart button. No choices on anything specific. So to do that, we need to add an attribute to it. So we're going to go to our product list and go into the actual product by clicking the product name. Now go to the product status tab, and towards the bottom you'll see the attribute list, and this is where you give it the specific attribute. And in this case, we're going to go ahead and just put color. So color is our main title. The property that we are going to offer is going to be red. We're going to put another one and just allow for different properties in this one attribute. So now what they'll see is they'll be able to choose the color by choosing red, blue, orange, and so on. This is where you can then enter a specific price for the product. We're just going to put 0 across the board because we are not going to charge anything extra for specific products. We go and click Save or Apply. And when we go to the front end of our site and refresh, you'll notice that there's now a drop-down box where you can choose the different color. When you add it to the shopping cart, it then says the product and then the specific attribute that was chosen. You can add as many of these attributes as you would like just by clicking the new attribute button. What we're going to do now is increase the price by $1, $2, and $3 depending on what's chosen. So it'll take the base price of your product, and if they choose the other prices, if you put a plus then the number, it'll increase the price by that much. So if you notice, we're going to choose the green. We'll go ahead and choose the blue here. So you notice we have the $15 and then the $2 for the color that we chose, so you see the total 17. We'll do that again and go back to the administration. We can add a new attribute now. Now, real quick, going back to the prices, you can do a plus, you can do a minus to subtract from the original price, or you can do an equals, which will override the original price of the product. So you could put equals $17. Those are your three options, the plus, minus, or equals. We're adding a second attribute to the product. We're going to set this one to the small is equal to we won't change the price for the small. We'll set the medium because we want the small to just be the $15 that the product price is. The medium's then $35, and the large, we go up and hit apply. Go check the front end of our site, and you'll see that both options are available. You can choose the $35 product, the $50 product, So it'll override that 15 if you put it as equals. So you notice the product is now $35. So if we choose and then choose a +1, so now 35 plus 1, you'll have a $36 product, because that equals is always going to override the original product price, and the plus is just always going to add to the original price or the overrided price. I'll show you here how we can also do a negative value. And that concludes how to add an attribute to your products in the Virtuemart of your shopping cart.